noticed they've got like a maple leaf on their hind quarter. And I'm wondering, how do you get it there?
We have a stencil of a maple leaf, and then we just back brush their hair with water.
No, really?
Yep.
I thought it was a tattoo.
It brushes right out. It just brushes right out.
That's amazing. Wow. Thank you for showing me your horse. It's so fun to be up close because you can smell them.
You're welcome.
Legend has it that the first recorded riding display by the Northwest Mounted Police was at Fort Macleod in 1876.
Good afternoon. Would you like to do an inspection?
Oh, yeah, I'm scared, but you'll show me how to do it.
Okay, come with me.
All right. What do I look for again?
Polished boots. That all
Yep.
the buttons are done up. Okay. Now come around the back.
Oh, no, not around the back.
Okay, you should look for a maple leaf on each side of the tail, and the tail should be brushed.
Wow, beautiful. Perfect. Awesome, that's a real tall horse. See how high that one is? Oh, that's good. That looks good. That looks great. Whoa, this one's a perfect maple leaf. I love it. Boy, this is a fun job.
Okay, thanks for your help today.
You're welcome. And thank you for letting me do the inspection.